Hello everybody, welcome back to Curly Mountain Forges. Today we're going to be forging a bespoke wall hook or a decorative leaf wall hook. This is going to be a leaf. At the end we're going to have a little wall hook that's going to be, you can hang your coats wherever you want on it. It's going to have 2 punch holes in it and a textured leaf. So the leaf's going to be textured using the hot cut chisel. This is just a normal chisel you can make yourself. Piece of carbon steel with a point on it. We're going to use our rounded punch. This will be used to punch our holes into our square material so we can actually hang it on the wall or wherever you want to hang it. This is a 3.5 pound rounding hammer. This is what I use in most of my videos to use. It's just a great size hammer. You've got your flat die, your round die for spreading material. Also we're going to use the 12mm of a 12mm square stock, and we're probably going to need about 200mm. Alright, so we're going to start off with a 4-sided taper. Point your material up at 45 degrees. Half on, half off blows. Create your point. Planche it up. Like so. Then we're going to half on, half off. Corner your anvil. Spread that taper new material. Right, so back at a good hot heat, we're going to do the same half on, half off blows using your rounded dies and your hammer. Up back. You see that gave us a nice taper. But using the rounded side of your anvil and you're using the rounded side of your hammer. You can do this process over the horn of your anvil. It doesn't really matter, whatever you're into. I prefer doing it this way, it just seems to be quicker. Right, so we're going to forge that out to a nice clean point. Planche up. This part of the bar is going to become our hook. So the next heat, we're going to form a small scroll, and then we're going to reverse itself into a hook. Alright, so we're going to create our scroll, so we're just going to push it over the anvil like that, and we're just going to push it around until you got your little curly cube. Right, so that's kind of what we've got at the moment. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to cool this tip, and we're going to forge this like a hook around the horn of the anvil. Right, so I've cooled down my tip. I'm just going to chase this material around the hook. Straighten it out. That's it, that's our little hook that we have at the end. Next step is going to be punching 2 little holes in the thing. There, the dot punch. About 20mm apart. Like so, you can kind of see them there. Right, so I'm going to take my material. I'm going to find the holes that I just center marked. Take my punch. So again, punch about 3/4 of the way through the material. Find your bulge and try to center it. Taking over the picture hole, that's what we're going to have there. Right, so I have my 2 holes punched. I'm just going to mark the material I need to create my leaf decorative end. So I'm going to come about 2 inches, 2.5 inches up from them 2 holes. I'm going to mark, well, the marker isn't great. That's where I'm going to mark there. I'm going to dot punch it actually. So that dot punch mark there is going to be the marker I'm going to hot cut it off. You can use an angle grinder or hacksaw, it really doesn't matter what you use. Right, so again we're going to create a two-sided taper this time. I mean, you're just going to taper your material on two sides out to a nice point. Like so. There you go, that's what you want. Then we're going to take it over the anvil. At the end of that taper, we're going to create our shoulders. These shoulders are where the leaf is going to separate from the stem. That's kind of what we have there. Next heat, we're going to basically taper all this out to a nice stem. Alright, so we're going to do like we did at the end. We're going to half on, half off the anvil, tapering this down at an aggressive angle. Go and planish it in your, you've got your low heat. Smooth it out. You're not trying to move material in this stage, you're just trying to planish it. Alright, that's pretty much what we want at this heat. Next, so take your little leaf that you kind of clipboard, fix it a bit, and you want to hit, actually no, you want to hit on the bottom. And that's all you want to do. That's pretty much it. You just want to use your rounding hammer, or you can use a flat hammer if you wanted to, and you're going to crush that triangle shape into the shape of your leaf. And while it's cold, we're going to take our tongs, we're going to take our hot chisel, and we're going to start. We're just going to mark out where that texture is going. So we got up to a nice temperature there. I finished marking that out last heat, so I'm just going to go over them this heat, embed them into the material more, and get a nicer. That's pretty much what we want. Pinch off the tip of my leaf so I have something to hold on to. Clamp it in my vise. My vise grips, I'm just gonna tighten them up. I'm gonna clamp the top of the leaf. Vise grips are really handy for this because they can just tighten to your material really handy. Okay, so you can kind of see we have a nice twist there. You don't twist too much to break off, but that's cool. Twist over here. Yeah, that's lovely. That's a really tight twist that we got. So I'm just going to brush down a nice little twist that we done there. Yeah. Next step, we're going to basically curl this around and make it look more natural than the stainless tray. Right, so we're just going to form this around the anvil. We're going to use a wooden hammer. This one's kind of a banjack, so it doesn't matter. The wooden hammer, it doesn't damage the twist that we've just made, like the steel hammer would. So we want nice crispy twists. So we don't want to damage them. Twist it over a bit more. Do. Right, so this is what we've got with. We're just going to polish it up with our wire brush. With any project you've got, get a wire brush and give it a good rub when it's hot. It's going to take off any excess scale. That's pretty much it. It's a nice little gift that you can make for somebody. It's something you can sell for easy money. The take 20 minutes, and it's a really nice project to practice your tapering, punching and twisting skills. That's all from Curly Mountain Forge. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please like and subscribe.